Hi, welcome to my latest video. I want to welcome all my new subscribers and my existing subscribers. My channel is Stitching Addicted and my name's Tania. So I don't know what video this is. Maybe it is 44, I'm not sure. So this is going to be about cross stitch, so buckle up. I have done 16,444 stitches. It's not quite my normal. It's in 15 days, I think. I have been a little bit discombobulated since my last video, because since I had those two finishes, I am on an angle. I'm going to just straighten myself up. There we go. I'm a bit straighter. I haven't really known what to stitch on. So this is my Day to Night Africa by Painful Crafts. This is a retired pattern. The artist is Lars Jewett. I know it's a big piece. It's very hard to get all in, so I'll just show you a bit. So this is the first side and this is the second side, so it's all across the top. Where did I actually stitch? I actually stitched here. I should be showing you a picture of what it looks like. How many stitches did I do? I did 1245 stitches, and then I put it down and I actually stitched in here. And can you see what I have? I have a new animal and I put it down. I didn't flesh it out completely. Are you shouting at me? Can you say what it is? I have got the giraffe head. It's just here, and all around the giraffe is the trees, and it's like, oh, not another tree. This is on 20 count 2 over 1 10 stitch with CXC. This is not my favorite piece to stitch. There is so much confetti in this piece. That tree was a tree of horrors. So yes, and I don't like 20 count 8. The holes are tiny. You look at those holes. Those holes are tiny compared to even weave. So I find it very hard to stitch, and my hand gets really sore stitching it. So it's not my preferred stitch. So you will see Old Faithful came back. And that is my Halloween Village Afghan by Stony Creek. This hasn't been out. It didn't come out in, you'll see a picture of it here. It didn't come out in October. So you will see it's very hard to show it all. So that's the top row of pages. That is the second row of pages with the pennants. This is the third row of pages with the witch in it. And this top of the roof. Right, where was I? And now I have done the moon. That's page 16, so I've completed that, and I have done the checkerboard, in the page below, and there is another page, another page below that. I'm not sure what page that is, and then that's the bottom of the piece. So yes, I'll be showing a picture of what it looks like. So majority of the stitching now, I don't think I may be able to. Can you see it all? I can't see what you see. I don't know if that was in. And the majority of the stitching is now, because it's more full coverage from now on. But that is on 14 count, 2/1 on a grey Ada. So very happy with that. I will put that in its bag that I made. So yes, so is under 16 is 21 and 26, so I'm happily working on that. Right, my next piece, I'm not going in order that I stitched it. Don't come off the scroll rods. My next piece is my Lisa Parker. Can you see it? Oh, I think you can. And hopefully I can put what it looks like on the back side. I can't tell you what it is because it's backwards on my, and I'll fix it and post edit. So my Lisa Parker Mini Heart of the Storm, I did 1511 stitches and I brought it up to 65%, and I mostly worked down here. I think I mostly worked down there, but I should have a before and after. But I'm very happy with that. So yes, Jess, we have got it. I have got mine to 65% like you wanted. So that's got it in a good position for finishing it for next year. And I will show you the back of this one and show you how much there was confetti in that bird. There was a lot. I don't mind showing my back because I do travel. Have broomstick, do travel. Right. Oh. Okay, my next piece is my Village by Tammy Algross. So I didn't tell you about my Mini Heart of the Storm is on 25 count 1/1 full cross. This is my Village by Tammy Algross. It stitches so beautiful, and this is on 22 count 1/1 full cross, and it is sexy. And I think I just got 15%, but I will have a picture of before maybe, and a picture of what it will look like. When I'm holding these up, I should have pictures for everything. I may not have said it, but I will have it. How's it look on screen? Looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So this video will be pretty quick because I only worked on a few items this time because I wasn't that settled. This is my fortune teller, and the artist is Luciana LaBelle, and fortune teller only got 300 stitches. So I will show you a picture of what she looks like, but I only did the stitches in here. so I'm not sure there's any point in actually showing you a before picture of this one, because there's really very little change, because I couldn't settle into her, and she's on a 25 count 1/1 full cross. I will put on the screen what percentage she's at, but there was so little change. I just wasn't settled. That was after having the finishes, and I'm pretty much like that after finishing pieces. And then I thought maybe it's because I stitched so many pieces on tent stitch, so maybe I should do a piece on tent stitch. So I picked up my Spirit of Autumn by Zyro Machete, and I stitched on this, and I did 625 stitches on this, and I worked in the deer. I filled in a lot of stitches and fleshed. I fleshed that deer out because the deer was quite, it had a lot of ninja stitches that weren't stitched, but yeah, it wasn't holding my interest either. So it wasn't that it was tent stitch that was the issue, it was just that I was unsettled. So I put that down and I thought, no, it's not what I needed. So then I picked up a beautiful place, because recently I had been enjoying that. So the first week I did 3,251 stitches on it. I will hopefully have the picture above. And then the second week I did 3,479 stitches on it, and then yesterday I did 850 stitches on it, and that brings me a total of 7,580, and I have got 16 total completed pages on this now. I think I'm at 34%, and I am trying to finish. It's very hard. You can see that water at the bottom. You can see I'm working on that page. I'm trying to get that page completed this week. And after I edit this video, I will be going back to this. So I'll bring it in so you can see it better, I hope. I can't see. This is an absolute stunning piece. Love the trees. I was surprised to see the mountain. I didn't know it was there until I stitched it. So this is the piece that I just keep going back to, and I think this month I am going to work on this. I thought I would go to my Christmassy pieces, but I'm not drawn to them as much as this. I'd really like to get to maybe 40%, and since this is calling my name, before I start my new start on the 1st of January, I am going to stitch on this. Isn't it stunning? Did I say who it was by? No. Ida Jose Rosa, and it's a Stitches So Beautiful piece. And honestly, it is stunning. And I could just about stitch this monogamously. And I don't think I've said that about anything else. It has just drawn me to stitch it again and again, And as soon as I have edited this video, I'm going to put my sidebars back on this and stitch it again. So at the moment, my favourite count is this Ariosa fabric. It looks like linen, but it is an even weave. Stitches like an even weave. It's a 22 count. Absolutely love it. For my new start next year, my I can never remember what it's a pain-free craft story time before sleep, I think it's called, that Jess and I are starting on the 1st of January by Pain-Free Crafts. I am going to start it on this fabric. I've been dithering about what I was going to start it on, but I finally decided I'm going to start it on this because I love it. So I bought another piece of this yesterday and I will cut it and have it all prepared. It's got a lot of black on it. I bought the kit and I think I am going to use it because it's got 60,000 stitches of black. I think I am going to just a sec. So this is the piece, and because it has a lot of black in it, I think I'm going to switch it out for sexy black just for the better coverage. So I got kitted all up, so it's got fabric with it, but I won't use it. I'll use my 22 count, but it's really good to have it all kitted up. Just a sec, I'll take the picture out. There we go. A fairy tale whistle for sleep. I should remember that, but I don't. So I'm super excited to be able to start that on the 1st of January. And it's so good to have it all kitted up. And I got it on 14 count because I didn't know what fabric that I was going to use, and I love that it is all done for me. So that is my new start for the 1st of January. So I won't use all of that thread, nowhere near all that thread with putting it on 22 count, but that's awesome because I need extra threads for my Harry Potter, and because they are UK threads, my Harry Potter came from the UK as well, so those threads should match that kit, so my Gecko Rouge kit. So that is amazing. Yeah, so I think that's it. So Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you have a great holidays. For those that don't celebrate Christmas, happy Hanukkah. So I wanted to get this video out. I know I haven't had as many projects that I've worked on, and I probably won't until after Christmas because I'm just not drawn to anything at the moment. So I'm just going to work on my A Beautiful Place. So thank you very much, and I will see you after Christmas. I should have appointments because I should be having my MRI. Not that I've heard anything. I should be seeing my neurologist. Not that I've heard anything. So that's a bit weird. So maybe I will hear something in the next few days, because normally it's this time of year that I have all those appointments, but nope, I have heard Tweety birds. So that's a bit weird. And because I have to sign up again for my MS medication for next year, and so that means I have to see my neurologist to make sure that he wants to keep me on the same medication. But nope, haven't heard anything. So I will see you again next time. Thanks, bye.